The overall goal of this procedure is to explore state-dependency effects on phosphenic behavior as elicited through transcranial magnetic stimulation. This is accomplished by first determining baseline phosphenic threshold and behavior over both V1, V2, and V5 MT+. The second step of the procedure is to prime specific neural reactions via visual adaptation as achieved through the presentation of specific visual stimuli. The third step of the procedure is to determine new phosphenic behavior over both V1, V2 and V5 MT+. The final step of the procedure is to chart and compare the second set of induced phosphines with the original baseline set of phosphines. Ultimately, results can be obtained that show specific, predictable phosphine behavior can be engendered through visual adaptation to unique visual stimuli.
The implications of this technique extend to therapy for numerous neurological or physical maladies currently treated by TMS, as it reveals guided activity undertaken before therapeutic treatment, such as light physical therapy or psychotherapy, may have important and predictable effects upon TMS and its outcomes.
To begin, seat the subject in a comfortable chair in front of a computer screen adjacent to the TMS setup. Take a moment to explain the details of the experiment and be sure to screen the subject to assure that there are no